Hi, I'm Kevin Rundle and I'm in my 25th year as a provider of equine dentistry and my 35th year working in the horse industry. I'll be producing a series of videos about horse dentistry and horses, and in each video I'll let you know a little bit more about myself and some of what I have learned on my journey as a student of the horse. In this video, it's of a horse that was shipped from Kentucky to St. Louis, Missouri for one of my longtime customers and friends who competes at the Grand Prix Level jumpers. The horse had been through a series of trainers and things obviously weren't working out, and the horse was just running into a wall that they couldn't seem to get by. The horse was brought to Ontario and entered into Neil's program, which is a complete management and reassessment of the horse and its needs, starting from a complete proper equine dental equilibration. In the video following this, you'll see that we've got some of the dentistry, and unfortunately I didn't get the video of doing the incisor alignment nor the extraction of the blind wolf teeth and the fractured wolf teeth. You'll see that we've frozen a few moments in the footage to show the differences before and after the dental, with the idea showing you that the horse's discomfort and his reaction, and it's not just in his neck and head, it's his whole body. He loses stride and timing and rhythm with the rider. Obviously, this fellow isn't a happy camper. And as we go along here, what I'm going to be showing you is where we extracted a couple of blind wolf teeth, the fractured wolf tooth. We had inverted molar tables, especially on the right side. In the back, he had a place where he was actually had an inverted tooth with a hook, and he was chewing on the soft tissue. Excessive ETRs, which I'm taking off right there. He had a pressure point on one of the molars, right in about right here, just ahead of that one, that was creating a pressure point and was actually fairly painful for him, and creating a block, and he couldn't give his mandible to the right, which means that steering to the right was also an issue. In this short video, what I want you to see is the fact that we were in there doing the dentistry. I'm not trying to teach off of this video, although down the road we will be, and showing different types of problems in the horse's mouths. But I do want people to understand the differences between floating, power floating, and proper equine dentistry. We want to balance the horse's jaw in relationship to his incisors, his molars, and his temporomandibular joint to create a balance for the rider and for his own mastication. As we're going along with the performance in future videos, we'll be able to see where certain dental abnormalities are very specific as to whether one rein needs to be pulled harder, whether it needs to be held a little bit higher. Sometimes it's even that a rider has to sit a little bit crooked to make the horse go straight. All those are signs that the horse has got a problem. A lot of the time it is in their mouth, and that's what we're here for. Is I would like to present this to you and show you the difference after this horse was done. Future videos, I'm going to be discussing and showing you bit seats, a measuring system for testing the lateral excursion and symmetry of the bite before and after dentistry, and explaining the moment of incisor separation, of when we are in a balance with the TMJ, the molar tables, and the incisors, and the subtle removal of dental obstructions that are locking the bite. As well, we're going to get into proper fitting of bits. Different horses have a different width of bars in their mouth. Some have a higher commissaires than others. Different textures of tongue and how to feel that difference. And some horses just have a problem with any kind of tongue pressure. In future videos, we're going to be showing you a lot more of situations like this, where the horse had a few things going on that were stopping the communication with the rider. It's very easy to blame the horse that he won't do something or you can't do something. But look at this horse now. It's a totally different animal. He's happy in his job. He's obviously got a better work ethic, and he has a future. Now he can go up the ranks, and looks to me right now like the sky's the limit as to where this horse can go, and he can find himself a position. I'd like to thank you again for watching the video, and please subscribe and you'll get notification of future videos. Thanks again.